Motivational Makeup Monday. I'm going to be sharing with you what to do if your birthday does not go exactly how you planned for it to. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and was that a bug? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I'm going to start out with priming my eyes. This is in Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer. Also, once again, welcome to my fairly empty filming room. I have these roses right here because I got them from one of my friends for my birthday, and I thought that they were pretty. Maybe they look weird sitting on the floor like that, but I thought that they were pretty. So in this Motivational Makeup Mondays, we're going to be talking about birthdays, your birthday, my birthday, because my birthday's in July. So anyway, that is going to be the topic. I am going to be using this Touch in Soul Fill Up Orange palette. This was in my June BoxyCharm. And then also I'm going to be using some of these brushes, which was part of my birthday present from my best friend. I mean, how pretty is that? The answer is beautiful, at least I think so. I have washed these. I'm going to start with, no, that one, I thought that one was angled. I'm gonna start with this one well, actually, I think I might start with this one to kind of try to apply a transition shade. Also, I have not been filming as many videos lately, as you, maybe if you're subscribed, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you can kind of tell, but just with moving and just other things, haven't been filming as much. I definitely did not have that many videos in June. Trying to do better in July. Anyway, okay, let's go ahead and talk about my birthday, or birthdays. So my birthday is in July. I'm 26 now, which is weird. It's gonna take me a little bit to get used to that. I just liked being 25, but also, I don't know, like, it just takes a little bit to get used to, I don't know, at least for me, it takes a little bit to get used to being a different age. Also, I want to get my eyebrows waxed. I'm going to use glitter glue because I'm going to apply this shade, which is a very sparkly orange. Well, this is pigment primer, rather, from NYX. Okay, so this video idea came to me whenever I realized that I would get stressed about having the perfect birthday. And that may sound weird, but let me explain. Hold on a second, this is very messy. I'm not sure if this is gonna stay. This is, I mean, I guess it is kind of like a pigment, so maybe this pigment primer will help. Hopefully. Okay, okay, well, that was a lot of fallout. I had to get up to remove the fallout, and I feel like there's probably still some there. I've also moisturized my face. I got this in my FabFitFun, and actually my best friend gave me hers as well. Hadn't been used. But anyway, so I'm going to try this with my concealer. As I was saying, stressed about having the perfect birthday, and as weird as that sounds, like, let me explain. Anyway, actually I might like this. I wanted something fun to look back on, which I feel like is understandable, but I like so much so that I would put unnecessary pressure on the day. I also realized that I did this with Christmas as well, and I'm kind of getting ahead of myself because I've never used this before. It doesn't absorb the product, I guess, as a brush would. So I've literally never used this before in my life, but I mean, I think it kind of, maybe I just have to get used to it. So with my birthday, at the end of the day, it's just a day, and I didn't get to celebrate it quite like I wanted to, but that's okay. We will celebrate it at some point. And personally, I'm not, like, it doesn't have to be something extravagant or anything like that. Personally, I just like spending time with people that I love, but I guess also with putting the unnecessary pressure on the day, I wanted something fun and exciting to look back on, but I don't know. I mean, it's not necessary. Now, for one of my birthdays, it was exciting, and like obviously, I'm just trying to kind of like talk through and just tell myself that like if you do something fun on your birthday, great, but if you don't, like you'll still celebrate it, you'll still do fun things, it's fine. But for my 21st birthday, I was actually at Niagara Falls, so that was kind of cool, but that doesn't mean, and I know this, I'm just kind of, I guess, anyway, but that doesn't mean like every year I have to do something like that, you know? I've had these 3 zits on my face, which are kind of mostly clearing up now, but I'm not a fan of them being on my face. Also with this, as I was saying, I'll have to use this more. I wish my mirror were higher up. Let me try to. You guys, I've not filmed in a little while. Does it show? Also, please appreciate that I'm doing my makeup, and I'm pretty sure I'm like just gonna be going to the grocery store later. So, yeah. About to look real glam with this eyeshadow look, going to the grocery store. Okay, so I did say that I was going to use one of those brushes. Try this one for applying concealer. Okay, so as I was saying, this putting unnecessary pressure on the day also happens with Christmas. So much so that, and like don't get me wrong, like I love Christmas, but so much so that I almost enjoy this season and like the time before it, and then it's like I build up this unnecessary whatever, and then the actual day almost isn't as exciting. Hopefully that makes sense, and once again, don't misunderstand me, I do love Christmas. I guess since I came to this realization, I just don't want to put so much pressure on like big days or celebration days, I guess, you know, like my birthday or Christmas, because at the end of the day, it's just a day and you can have fun on those days. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just trying to not have all of the unnecessary pressure around that day. Like, wow, this is so pretty, this color, so pretty. Also, these brushes are really soft. I feel like it might be too, well actually, this one, we're gonna try to contour this brush. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This might work. I really liked using that Alamar one, like I've gotten into using that a lot whenever I contour, but this one is pretty good. Does a pretty good job blending, but for some reason my forehead is kind of not wanting to cooperate. Oh, I almost forgot to do my eyebrows. I haven't been doing my makeup as much lately. Haven't been filming as much lately. Haven't been doing my makeup as much lately. Let me do my eyebrows really quickly. So I guess I had just like one main concept for this Motivational Makeup Mondays, but I still wanted to film this video and also just show you doing my makeup as well. I'm going to use this angled one, which might be, well, see, it's so soft, like I personally wouldn't want to use that for contour. Anyway, I'm gonna use this for blush. Have I mentioned that these brushes are so soft? Oh, this is the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. Urban Decay setting spray. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, I was going for a little bit of a lighter lip with this eyeshadow look. I think it's pretty still, but that lipstick that I probably would have used is in a different room. And I've already gotten up once while filming this, so you guys know, once I start filming, I do not like getting up. Once again, I just want to remind you, if your birthday is coming up or whenever your birthday is, obviously it is an important day. I'm not saying it's not an important day. I think it's an important day, but maybe try not to put so much stress and pressure on it being the perfect day, if that makes sense. If you liked this video, make sure you check out this playlist right here. I'll leave it linked right here. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And I will see you in my next video.